Hi, Brendan here with another episode of Coach Gee TV. 2020, the hits keep coming. Today, President Trump announced that he came down with COVID-19, and as far as the election concerned, as far as the economy is concerned, as far as the world is concerned, everything is in quite an upheaval. And it's very, very easy for investors to start and lose focus. Again, when we just go from headline to headline to headline, especially as volatile as things have been in 2020. But what I wanted to do was step back and give some perspective here and hopefully help you understand how quickly markets and portfolios bounce back from crises that have happened in the past. For the sake of argument, we have a portfolio comprised of 60% stocks, 40% bonds, and we look at some of the worst things in history that have ever happened. Take, for the sake of argument, September the 11th, 2001, the terrorist attack. Well, 1 year after 9/11, a 60-40 portfolio is down minus 1%. Within 3 years, though, that portfolio is a positive 40%. Within 5 years, it's a positive 81%. And then if you take into consideration the financial crisis in 2008, if you will. Again, remember the financial crisis, the banks and everything going kaplooey? Well, 3 years after 2008, this 60-40 portfolio is up 4%, a positive 4. Within 3 years, it's up a positive 12%. Within 5 years, it's up a positive 47%. So no matter how bad things look right now, markets react, and they always react positively. They react in a relatively short period of time. But if we let ourselves get caught up in the doom and gloom of the day, we lose focus. Perhaps we sell out. We lock in the losses. That's something that we don't want to do. We want to make sure, as far as investing is concerned, we don't pay attention to the headlines. We focus in on the long term. Thank you.